Fast way to find index of array in array of arrays. Suppose I have a numpy array of arrays of length 4. I want to know, is it true that R includes 1, 2, 3, 4? If it true, what index of 1, 2, 3, 4 in R? I want to find out it as fast as it possible. Suppose R contains 855,0420 elements. I've checked several methods with tomate. Just for checking without getting index, any, all, 1, 2, 3, 4, =elt, for elt in R. It took 15.5 seconds in average on 10 runs on my machine. 4-based solution. For i.e. in enumerate, R, column. If list, E, == 1, 2, 3, 4, column, break. It took about 5.7 seconds in average. Does exist some faster solutions, for example numpy based?
If you perform search more than one time and you don't mind to use extra memory, you can create set from array. I'm using list here, but it's almost the same code.
This is Jamie's idea, I just love it. Yields. The idea is to view each row of the array as a string. For example, the strings look like garbage, but they are really just the underlying data in each row viewed as bytes. You can then compare ARR underscore as 1D == X to find which rows equal X. There is another way to do it, but it turns out to be not as fast.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.